Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about drinks to cleanse your kidneys. Have you ever wondered why it's important and what it can do for your overall health? Well, you're in the right place because we're about to dive deep into the world of kidney cleansing. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about our kidneys. These small bean-shaped organs play a vital role in our bodies. They filter waste products and excess fluids from our bodies, helping to regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and stimulate red blood cell production. Electrolytes are minerals like calcium, sodium, and potassium that have an electric charge and can be found in your blood and other body fluids. They play a crucial role in various functions of your body, such as regulating the amount of water, maintaining the acidity level of your blood, supporting muscle function, and facilitating other important processes. Our kidneys are real superheroes, aren't they? Now you might be wondering, why do I need a kidney cleanse if my kidneys are already doing their job? Well, here's the thing. Over time, our kidneys can accumulate toxins, waste products, and even kidney stones. Factors like poor diet, dehydration, excessive alcohol consumption, and certain medications can put a strain on our kidneys and hinder their optimal function. That's where kidney cleansing comes in. So what are the benefits of a kidney cleanse? Let me tell you. Firstly, it helps to flush out those nasty toxins and waste products, giving your kidneys a fresh start. This can improve kidney function and promote overall detoxification in your body. Secondly, a kidney cleanse may help prevent the formation of kidney stones, which can be extremely painful and cause complications. And lastly, by supporting your kidneys, you're supporting your overall health and well-being. How to cleanse your kidneys. There are various natural methods you can try. Increasing your water intake is a simple yet effective way to keep your kidneys hydrated and functioning optimally, including these kidney-friendly drinks that you can try. The following 2 kidney cleansing drinks may provide that extra cleansing boost. 1. Arugula Green Smoothie. Arugula is packed with nutrition, contains plenty of nitrates. It adds a unique flavor in smoothies. You'll need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of arugula, 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup of strawberries, fresh or frozen, and 1 apple. Instructions. Wash all ingredients and cut them into chunks. Place everything into your blender jar. Blend for 60 to 90 seconds until smooth, depending on the strength of your blender. 2. Berries Kidney Cleanse Smoothie. Berries are rich in antioxidants, low in calories, low in sodium, but high in nutrients. You'll need 3/4 a cup almond milk unfortified, 1 cup of strawberries, fresh or frozen, 3/4 cup frozen blueberries. Instructions. Wash the strawberries if you're using fresh produce. Add everything to your blender jar. Blend for 30 to 45 seconds until smooth. It's best to do smoothies daily for 1 to 4 weeks. Kidney cleansing is a fantastic way to support the health of your kidneys and boost your overall well-being. Remember, our kidneys work hard for us every day, so it's crucial to give them some love and care. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new cleansing method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. And I'll catch you in the next video.